Remember to subscribe to our channel, and click bell icon if you like our videos.
Hi, welcome back to Inabia's channel. Today we are starting a new series about participating in the Kaggle community by running competitions, sharing datasets and notebooks, and discussing topics in the discussion session. In fact, we will start with what you should know and do as a beginner on Kaggle. And then we will share with you the steps of running a competition with one of our experience in Kaggle competitions. Okay, so first thing first, if you haven't joined the Kaggle community, you need to create a new account for yourself. So you register for a new account here by creating your profile, and then you can participate in different sections like competitions, discussion, and more using your own account. Okay, so once you've done that, you can log in with your Kaggle account and start your adventure, contributing your work and taking challenges. Okay, so next, let's have a look at some important things of getting started with Kaggle. And I will post the link of this page in the description below so that you can walk through again by your own later. So few steps here. The first step is about your Kaggle profile. Okay. So as you can see, there are four major sections here: competition, datasets, notebooks, and discussion. So if you are new, there will be empty in all the sections in your account. And you can see the label of each section as well. Okay, so for example, as a new Kaggler in the beginning, all the sections should start from novice. Okay, so the second step here, it's about Kaggle progression. Okay, so the rules and steps helping you move your level from novice to contributor and all the way to expert or even master. Okay, in fact, you can see there is a checklist for each level. So for example, there are 4 items you need to complete to become a contributor from novice. Okay, so which are run one notebook or script, make one competition or task submission, okay, and make one comment and give one upvote. Okay, so for practice, so most new Kagglers will start with a popular competition called Titanic competition. So this is the Titanic tutorial. So you can walk through this tutorial by your own and then get the idea of how to run a competition on Kaggle. So I think you should check out this competition, and don't forget to check out all the work that other Kagglers share with in the discussion and notebook sessions as well. So in addition, you can also make a comment or give feedback to others to share your thought with them and start making impact in this community. Alright, I think that is all I have for this very first video of this series, and we will talk about more in the next video about how you start running a competition on Kaggle, what you need to do when you get a new dataset. Okay, so just stick with this series on our channel, and we could dive into more details along with a competition that we just done recently. And yeah, that is pretty much the videos for today, and I will catch you later in the following videos. And thanks for watching.
Subscribe and click bell icon for latest updates.